Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my monthly BOXYCHARM unboxing video. I cannot believe that it's already April. I just got back from my vacation to Florida, so I've been gone for around 10 days. So to me, it still feels like March, but we are into April. And so if you guys want to see me try on the contents of April's BOXYCHARM and show you what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. So before I jump into the contents of this box, I do want to let you guys know I'm going to be doing a notification fam giveaway in this video because I already have the palette out of this month's box, so I'm going to give one to you guys. So if you guys are interested in winning the palette out of the BOXYCHARM, which is the PUR Festival Palette, I will leave the rules down below, but basically all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel with the notification bell turned on and comment on this video within the first 12 hours of it being up with some method to contact you, and that's it. So the theme of April's box is peace, love, and boxy, and it has like a desert festival theme. And if you guys are new and don't know, BOXYCHARM is $21 a month for 5 full-size items. You don't get any of those cheapo samples in BOXYCHARM. So the first item is the PUR palette. I'm going to set the new one aside for my notification winner, and I will show you mine because I already have it. This retails for $36, so you're already over the price you pay for BOXYCHARM. And I did already kind of debut this palette on my Instagram, and I shared it with you guys in like a festival sparkly type of look if you guys want to check it out. But it is a beautiful palette, very different from anything I have in my collection. So here are the shades in the palette. You actually do have 2 pressed glitters in the palette as well, and these to me are the star of the show, but it does have a beautiful color scheme, kind of neutral with some pops of color and glitter in there, and it also has a very nice mirror. I actually love the design of this. It has like a pair of sunglasses and you look through it and you see a Ferris wheel and like the palm trees. So the packaging that this came in is actually on display over on my makeup unit because I think it's so summery and cute for the upcoming month. So of course we will be trying this out in this video. That's why I'm not wearing any eye makeup. Next up in the box we have a 3-pack of Luxy brushes, and I really love Luxy. Usually they are the light pink brushes, but these are a hot pink. These are a hot pink to yellow kind of ombre, which is really cute for the summer vibes, and it also has a Ferris wheel on the packaging, which is like festival vibes. I love it. I think they did a good job of incorporating the theme into the box this month. But this 3-pack is called the Summer Daze 3-piece brush set, and it retails for $28, which when you think about it is actually a pretty affordable brush brand if you are interested in buying them separately from BOXYCHARM. So we have a small shader brush. I actually think this would be really good for picking up the loose glitters in the palette because that's the type of brush I used before when I tried it. We also have a large shader, which is like your typical packing eyeshadow brush. And then we have a small contouring brush. This one might be too small to contour my like big fat cheeks, but I could definitely use this for maybe under eye powder or even the highlighter that came in the box. Hint, hint, I might try that for that later in this video, but these are actually really pretty. I like the handle a lot. It's really pretty and ombre and sunsetty. Love these. So the highlighter is from Artist Couture, and I could not be happier to see that this is a full size. I believe this is a full size Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. They retail for $27. I do have a discount code with Artist Couture actually, and we changed it to just Kendall so that most of my codes could just be Kendall. If you guys don't already know, I changed most of them to just my first name. But to get to the point, I love Artist Couture. The Diamond Glow Powders are my favorite loose highlighters, and they are blinding. This one is one of the new shades from Artist Couture for festival season, and I believe they're limited edition. I'm not quite sure, but this is in the shade Summer Haze. So they have the brand new packaging. It's a little different from their old packaging. I will peel that sticker off camera, but we're definitely going to apply this highlighter today. And I'm already blown away by this box, let me just tell you. For $21, get on it with this box because it's very much worth it. So those 3 products were definitely my favorite. We have 2 more in my box. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like or not. I have a Starlooks eyeliner. This is a Ultra Gem Long Wear Eye Pencil, and this retails for $19. There it is on the back of my hand. It's not like mega pigmented. It kind of just gives like a sheen, but it's like, I guess I would call it like a tealish silver. I will be trying that out as well as the last product in the box, and actually I might be very excited for this because I think one of you guys told me that this is an amazing mascara. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara. It retails for $20, and I just love mascara. I love trying different mascaras out. And I think one of you guys mentioned this one when I was asking what your favorites were on Twitter. Here's what the wand looks like. It's kind of like a plasticky curved wand. I won't know until I try it for myself if I like it or not. I can't tell just by looking at a wand. So I'm going to start with the kind of mustardy orangey yellow color called Epic. And I wouldn't typically put a crease color in my crease with this kind of packing brush, but I do want to get use out of everything in the box. Wow, I don't even know what to say. Like, I just popped that into my crease very lazily, and it's crazy pigmented. So I'm going in with this orange. It's actually not too mustardy. I don't know why I was calling it mustard. It's more of like a sunset orange color. And I'm just going above the crease. I want this to peer out after we have the pink laid down. So this shader brush is definitely kind of a multitasker. You can use it for blending into the crease. Because I am going to be using the same brush for the pink color, I'm going to jump ahead a few steps and hit the lower lash line with this orange, just so that I don't get a muddy look later if I mix the colors on the same brush. So I'm just popping this on the lower lash line. Now that that is on, it's time to go into the hot pink. This is the shade Wild Child, and I plan on picking it up with the same exact brush. And I'm just going to be packing this kind of onto the lid a little bit lower than that orange color. Wow. I can honestly say right now that it's not looking like I want to ruin this look with glitter, because we're getting like a really pretty matte sunset vibe. I did a glitter look on Instagram if you guys want to see it. The glitters in this palette I will show you as well. They are insane, and they do transfer really well onto the lid if you use the right kind of brush. I suggest using a flat brush. The flat brush that came in BOXYCHARM would be fine if you guys got that product. Okay, so after I'm done packing that onto the lid, I'm going to do the same thing, drag it on my lower lash line a little bit just to make sure the look is nice and connected. I really don't want to ruin this current look with glitter, but I will show you guys what these pressed glitters look like. As you can see, the pressed glitters are insanely glittery and pigmented and come off perfectly onto your finger. These are definitely formulated beautifully. I definitely think this is a very special palette for summer. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop on some of this Celestial eyeliner. This is something I don't really think is going to show up on camera, but what it's giving me is just like an iridescent waterline. As long as this doesn't smudge on my contacts, I do think it would be a really cool finishing touch to a look. So it's not my favorite, it's not bad, it's just kind of a weird product, honestly. It's just kind of a sheen of iridescent teal. Then to finish up the eye look, I'm going to put on the Power Up Mascara, and I will let you guys know what I think of it. I have been growing out my lashes with Babe Lash, so my natural lashes actually can look quite long with the right mascara. It definitely makes the bases of my lashes nice and dark, but I'm not seeing a ton of length. My current go-to is actually from L'Oreal right now. I've been using that mascara with the weird bendy handle, and I've actually really been liking it. I'm going to go ahead and pop it on my lower lashes. I feel like lower lash line mascara lately is making my eyes look a little smaller. So I've been mainly doing it on my top lashes, but when I do have color on the lower lash line, I will put some just kind of towards the middle of my eyeball. I feel like it didn't quite give me the drama that I would want to not wear false lashes with this look. I would typically wear false lashes with this. I'm not going to today because I want this to be just a BOXYCHARM look with nothing really added, but I do like it. I don't love it, so I'm kind of neutral on this mascara, but I have to use it a few more times, and also if you let it dry out a little bit, it kind of changes the formula, and sometimes I like that better. So I don't have like my full wrapped up thoughts on this, which I apologize for that, but I just can never tell upon first using a mascara. But I can tell if I hate one, and I definitely don't hate it. Okay, so last up to try on is the Summer Haze highlighter from Artist Couture. I went ahead and popped off the protective film and swatched it next to the eyeliner. So here you can see a completely dry swatch of the loose highlighter in Summer Haze. It's a beautiful golden, kind of white golden highlight. It has very pretty peachy undertones to it, so it's going to be so beautiful on fair to medium to even deep skin tones. So I'm excited to try this on my face. This might end up being a new favorite, especially for summer. My favorite Diamond Glow powder ever is the shade Yas, and that's kind of like a darker rose gold than this. This is definitely more of a peachy kind of white gold. So I would say peachy white gold is a pretty good description. I'm dipping into a little bit that I poured into the cap of the highlighter. A little does go a long way with Artist Couture, so you definitely don't need a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my cheekbone. This is a blinding highlight. I'm kind of realizing I think it would be more suitable for fair to medium skin. I'm not sure how it would look on deep skin. It is definitely a lighter highlight. So beautiful. It gives you like that glassy look. I put highlight everywhere, you guys. It's definitely a beautiful highlighter. I'm going to get my use out of this one, and I'm so glad that it is full size. That's crazy. And the brush worked pretty well for that, given it's not its purpose in life. Alright, you guys, so that was everything out of the Peace, Love, and Boxy April BoxyCharm. I'm obsessed. I added up the values of these products, and this box valued at $130, which is crazy. You always get a $100 value at least for your $21, and I am definitely most obsessed with the Festival palette from PUR. That's my number one out of this palette. I think it's so beautiful and on trend for summer. Second favorite is definitely that Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder. I love that that was in the box. I think it's so exciting to have something that is brand new, on trend. I think it's limited edition and it's full size, so I really appreciate that Diamond Glow powder being in there. But overall, definitely stepping the game up. BoxyCharm just keeps going up and up. I loved last month. I loved the Cover FX palette. That was amazing. And I honestly think they outdid themselves. Like, I think I like this month even better. But that is it for this month's BoxyCharm unboxing and try on. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you want to win your own PUR palette, preferably if you're not getting your own BoxyCharm, because all of the BoxyCharm subscribers will get this palette. But if you can't get BoxyCharm, or you don't have BoxyCharm yet, can't afford it, anything like that, then please enter this giveaway if you want to win one of the PUR palettes, and I will leave those rules down below again. If none of that matters to you, but you love BoxyCharm unboxings, then don't forget to subscribe anyways, because I do these unboxings every single month on my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I think that's all that I have to say. I love you so much. I'm so excited to be back from vacation and filming. I definitely feel refreshed and happy and so much better to have actually had a little bit of a break. So I'm back and I'm ready to film, so let me know if you have anything that you want to see on this channel. Leave it in the comments down below. But that is it for this video, and I hope that I see you guys all in my next one. Bye.